Hello, I'm Michael at Great Accounting, www.greataccounting.com.au. Today, what I want to do is just give a short example on the general ledger entries that happen once an employee is paid. Okay, so we've got this employee. He's worked 38 hours at $25 an hour, and his gross wage is $950. So gross $950. Tax withheld is $144, and his net take-home pay is $106. So what the ledger does, it picks up the expense of gross wages and the amount of $950. I'm just using standard codes from Xero accounting software. You may be using other software such as MYOB or QuickBooks or many others. But in this case, so the debit here, gross wages to the expense account are $950. The PAYG tax withheld goes to a current liability. The account code here is 825, and that's a credit of $144, tax waiting to be paid. So that's a liability of tax to be paid. So it's a credit to the current liability account. The same here, the wages payable, which is the employee's net wages, is sitting in a current liability on account 804 of 806, waiting for the employee to be paid. Okay, so once the bank transfer goes through, or however you pay the employee's wages, it'll come out of the bank. It will credit the bank account, so the bank's a current asset. It'll be a credit to that money coming out of the bank, and the debit there is going to be to the wages payable. So that debit offsets that credit, and then it becomes a zero. That's reconciled. So then with the tax owing, that's to be paid to the taxation department. So that is generally through a business activity statement. So what happens there, once the BAS has been paid, then the journal entries for that will be to debit your current liability of PAYG tax withheld, debit that, which offsets that credit sitting there, and then the account's cleared. So you've got your expense account, your liabilities accounts are all cleared. And so that's very important if you want to maintain good bookkeeping, is to make sure these accounts here are always reconciled, they're always cleared out. Okay, so that's just a simple example. I hope it helps. And if you've got any questions, you can just email me, Michael, at greataccounting.com.au. You can check out our website, www.greataccounting.com.au. I hope you're having a great day or a great evening. Until next time, see you later.